So how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT, official ChatGPT app on iPhone. So here you have this screen. It says introducing custom instructions. Customize your interactions with ChatGPT by providing specific details and guidelines for your chats. Active for new chats. Whenever you edit your custom instructions, they will take effect in all new chats you create. Older conversations will be updated. And then here, that's just what you write here. What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? How would you like ChatGPT to respond? And then you just tap on the field, and then you can just tap save in the top right. And then you can just write that. You can also read some, and that's basically the idea. How you find it, you can also just add it in the free version right now. So if you just tap three dots in the settings, there is this custom instructions tab right now, which you can add. Previously, I think it was only available for ChatGPT Plus, but now it's also available for free users. So give it a try. It can be quite helpful, if you constantly using ChatGPT for specific set of tasks. Like, for example, I'm using it to help me write blog posts, and I'm setting up like, hey, here is like content I upload in YouTube video. Please write a blog post around this video, but you need to keep a professional tone, and you can divide this, like this whatever blog in specific paragraphs and add headers, for example. And then you just write this kind of huge prompt or just, small instruction, and that can really help. And instead of, every time when you're doing this repetitive task, every time just ask the bot to do the same thing, then this ChatGPT bot will kind of know that. So that's the idea.